friends, Miss Darla here, and today we're going to talk about states of matter using ice. For this experiment, you're going to need tape, a plastic baggie, food coloring, an ice tray, and water mixed with whatever food coloring color of your choice, and let it sit in the freezer overnight. Next, put a few ice cubes from the ice cube tray in a baggie. At this point in time, our ice is in a solid state. Next, you're going to go ahead and use the Scotch tape to tape up your bag full of ice to a window that gets direct sunlight. As the ice begins to warm up, you'll see that it changes from a solid state to a liquid state. As your ice continues to turn from a solid to a liquid, you might see that there are water droplets forming at the top of your baggie. This is water vapor, and this is caused by the heat of the sun evaporating water in the baggie. Water vapor is a gas, so here we can see that the ice has went from a solid to a liquid, and now it's becoming a gas. Is there any way that you could have sped up this experiment without using daylight? What could you do to prevent the water droplets from forming in the baggie? What would happen if you were to open the bag and let it sit out? Would all of the water evaporate? Would the food coloring be left? These are all things that you can find out when you do this experiment yourself. I hope you've enjoyed this experiment, and until next time,